With the growing demand of e-commerce in the recent months, are you finding that your packing area is running out of space with sacks of loose fill and bundles of bubble wrap everywhere? Are you facing pressure from management and customers to remove the plastic that you use in your packaging? Are you finding it hard to provide a solution to this? One that is both cost effective and practical? And I also feel pretty sorry for the guy that has to sweep up the loose fill chips at the end of the day. Well, let me introduce you to TheBoxer. This is a 450 metre roll of heavy grade commercial paper which can be used both for void filling and protected packaging. So let's highlight a few benefits, firstly of the dispenser. So it's a vibrant yellow, it's going to brighten up your workplace. It's very easy to load. So I just pick up one of these rolls, slips in very nicely, and it has a funnel, paper, which I just pull through. It's height adjustable, and also it has an angled head. You can change the different angles suited to your needs, and also this swivel head. So another problem you might face is if you have a paper machine or a couple of paper machines or a limited amount, everyone has to walk over to that to get their protected packaging. This can swivel between benches so several packers can use it at the same time. So if you haven't got space for one of these beautiful dispensers, we have a compact in-box solution. It's got carry handles and it can be used anytime and any place. So the advantage of this over bubble wrap or loose fill is with bubble wrap or loose fill, you have a big sack or a big bundle which is taking up a lot of space, especially if you've got a smaller packing area. This is compact, has 450 metres on a roll, and it's not going to take up hardly any space. So you may be using bubble wrap or loose fill in your operation currently and wondering to yourself, how does this replace it? Well, let me show you some of the techniques that I use which show how versatile this is as a product. So I've got a heavy good, so I'm going to need protective packaging. So what I'm going to do is roll this into a coil to create a protective pad. So I now have a protective pad inside the box. And then do the same again, create another protective pad to go on top. What I'm going to do, I'm not going to push it down because that creates a bigger void, so I use the flaps. So I'd finally like to add that the material used is 100% recycled, it's 100% recyclable, which means you have an environmentally friendly, effective and protective packaging option, which is just one of the steps you can take to remove plastic packaging from your operation.